Welcome back everyone. Yesterday Apple announced a new iPad mini which I'm really excited about and have already pre-ordered it, and it's coming on 24th September. This video is a quick comparison video between the iPad mini 6 and the old iPad mini 5. First, let's talk about the design, as Apple has revamped the mini iPad to a whole new level. Apple have removed the home button and have made it into a mini iPad Air model where the Touch ID is at the top of the iPad. The screen size is 8.3 inch, which is larger than the iPad mini 5, which was at 7.9 inch. The iPad mini 6 also comes with a nice pick of fresh colors, kind of how the iPad Air 2020 model did. The iPad mini 5 is mostly available in black and silver nowadays. For the users who like their music and movies, the new iPad mini 6 is built in with two speakers, which is at the top and at the bottom. This will give you the best sound quality. Now let's talk about the processing power and the hardware inside. The new iPad mini 6 has a new A15 Bionic chip, while the iPad mini 5 has an A12 chip. This means you should notice faster speed with the new iPad mini 6, especially when it comes to workloads such as playing games and editing video. The iPad mini 6 comes with a USB Type-C port on the bottom instead of the Lightning port on the iPad mini 5. This means you'll be able to connect a wide range of third-party devices to your iPad like hard drive, wireless mouse, USB sticks and SD card readers. Now for the camera, this is a big upgrade from the iPad mini 5. The iPad mini 6 now has a 12 megapixel camera at the back and another 12 megapixels for the front, which is a wide angle camera which supports the center stage feature. This feature basically allows the camera to follow your face, and you can hold video calls and conferences while walking around and doing a thing uninterrupted. And those were the main differences between the new iPad mini 6 and the iPad mini 5. The question is, should you upgrade? And in my opinion, yes. You're basically getting an iPad Air but a mini version of it, which is more powerful and more portable. So stay tuned to this channel as I'll be unboxing the new iPad mini 6 in a few weeks time. If you found this video helpful and you enjoyed it, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.